And let's see. I kind of like it. It's very playful. I like the way it smudges it. Now, what I'm going to do, in the center of the blossom, I'm going to put carmine red. And activate it again. So I will do this with the sponge. Tap, tap. Okay. Now I will use woodland brown. I want to combine it with the green. Let's see how it goes. That cluster of little bit of little buds. And this is the back of the flower. So just kind of make it very light and easy. And so I'll just add a little bit on this. It's kind of interesting, right? I mean, it's doesn't have to be all super realistic, but definitely want to look sort of similar to cherry blossoms. Now, if I want to add a little more color, I need to wait for it to dry. My pretty green leaf. This is fern green. It looks darker when it's dry, and then it looks nice and bright, activated. Let's see how this will act. See, I put it on the wet paper. So what I'm going to do, I smudge it with the white. Now I learned how to use the white. I am so glad. See, only making tests and making mistakes that we can learn something. Okay, maybe I just got too excited and made this leaf not so good, but actually that's how natural things usually look. Like all kinds of, varieties. Variety of imperfections. So what do you think? For trying it for the first time, at first I felt almost discouraged, but the more I do it, the better it gets. So I'll let it dry for a little bit. Meanwhile, let's draw something else. I'm tempted to use this Bristol paper because it's not so bad. If I don't put too much water, I enjoy it a lot more than this, the watercolor paper is just so kind of unpleasant to my senses, I have to admit. Oh well, and I still want to work with watercolor. Okay, I want to continue trying to play with the gradient and see how I can blend some colors. Like, let's say I want to work with the purple. It's hard to tell apart almost, like if you look at this cyan's purple, purple sapphire, and raisin purple. They're almost the same. Cyan's, it's more vibrant. Yeah, let me try that. So here's how I'm going to do. What I'm doing is just allow my hand to do what it wants. You see, if you want to fill the paper, you can't just do it like this, what I did right now, because all those indented places, if you can look, they are not going to collect any color in it. But if you want it to be more even, kind of need to move pencil in a circle motion to fill up. Okay. And then I'll use this Kelly green a little bit away from it, so not right next to it. We'll have room for blending. Start with the light part and go into dark. Okay, and now from here I'll go this way. No, it's too late already. You see the purple dried, and when you try to blend, it's too late. So this is helpful for me to play and make mistakes. I don't know if it's helpful for you to watch me making these mistakes, but I still like to explore. All I'm doing right now is exploring and becoming familiar with this, with the paper, with the pencils, and get the feel of how I should plan. Look how bright it is. Wow, it's a very nice orange. Isn't it interesting to watch other person coming up with all kinds of strange ideas sometimes? I will be painting a lot more abstract. This is becoming more and more fun. Alright, I think this is enough for exploration. And I definitely confirm that I am very intrigued by these watercolor pencils. Very, very interesting. Okay, let's finish this picture. Let's finish this picture. This time I will be using brush. So I started with the blossoms using the sponge, and now I'll use the brush. Yeah, I think I like the Bristol paper. I don't know if other artists actually work with watercolor pencils on this type of paper, but I am going to, because it's not about the rules, it's about what inspires you and what makes you feel more comfortable, right? I guess I didn't dry it enough because I can see that I cannot blend them that well, but that's good enough. That's basically what I was planning to do. Is it better this way or that way? What I want to do is I want to add a little bit more dark center while it's still wet. So I also, to show you, I learned from, I don't remember her name. She's a really wonderful teacher, and I really like the way she paints flowers, so I'm learning from her quite a bit. And what she does is, I will show you, make, like, if I put just a little water here, so this is wet, and then I do, okay, so just some wet area, and this, how natural look of the flower created, because it's all kind of organic. I probably put a little too much of it, but this is fun with this. Excellent. I like it. Alright. So this is my cherry blossom. This is my abstract. Oh boy. What is this? I wonder which way it's supposed to be. I assume that the total eclipse gave me some kind of celestial ideas to paint. I guess this is good. This is a good test. I like it, and I will be painting more in the future. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe, like, share. I very much appreciate your support. Very, very much. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is my first watercolor painting since 1977. Yep, I have not done any watercolor painting since 1977, when I had, I'll tell you later about that time in my life. Please subscribe to find out what was happening then.